This brief MIOBP project tutorial will explain to you how to export your book from iBooks into a format that your students may be able to use on the devices that are available to you in your school. We're going to assume for this tutorial that you're using a Mac and iBooks Author. If you're using Adobe InDesign, there is a separate video tutorial for this process. You don't need a photo editing tool for this, or Tumult or a Bookery account for this particular step in the process. Just like all of our tutorials, we've broken it down into 3 steps. Final edits, choosing your output, and exporting and rendering the final files. Step 1 is an important one. Make sure that you have gone through iBooks Author and finalized all your edits. To do this, you might want to go through and print off a copy in PDF form to actually go through and do a paper version of a copy edit, or go through the materials on your screen and actually make sure that everything lines up properly, that you've included the right text, etc. Once you've done that, you're ready to move on to step 2. In this second step, you're going to choose what output iBooks Author sends your file into. If you watched any of our previous tutorials, you'll remember that we mentioned there are several different export options for you to use in iBooks Author. If your students are going to be using these on Apple devices such as an iPad or a Macintosh computer, you're going to go up to File and you're going to choose Export. The default setting is actually iBooks, and all you have to do here is click on Next, choose where you want it to go, and wait for iBooks Author to do the rendering magic. If you're going to publish this directly to the iTunes Store yourself, you will click on Publish and go through the tutorial that Apple has provided.